I found something out. If your walk or whatever gets icy, I guess your steps do, if you have steps, just take some sawdust. We got a woodworking shop in there. Just take some sawdust, sprinkle it over it. Just take, I don't know, I did like 5 scoops of this, and it's worked. Well, I put some here right when it started getting icy, and it's still working. Like it's not nearly as slippery as it was before. It was pretty dangerous before I did this. It's like concrete, and it just gets real slippery. So just a few scoops of sawdust and it does pretty good.